The machines are already here, on factory floors in Osaka, in warehouses outside Melbourne, in mines, hospitals, ports, and power stations. The question is no longer whether industry becomes intelligent, the question is who builds that intelligence and where. In 2027, that question comes to Brisbane. The International Conference and Expo on Robotics, Automation, and Future Industries brings the people deciding the answer into one venue, the Brisbane Convention and Exhibition Centre in the heart of South Bank, Brisbane. A working city, a gateway to the Asia Pacific, a country investing at national scale in sovereign manufacturing, clean energy, and the systems that defend both. Inside, a live demonstration arena where robots work, not pose. Autonomous systems moving through real tasks in real time. Dedicated automation zones where B2B matchmaking is the program, not a side room. Clean energy automation on the floor. Defense support technologies in their own precinct. Companies do not come here to be seen. They come here to be selected. And the room itself is the point. Ministers for industry and energy walking the floor. Government delegations with pavilions and procurement mandates. Investors with capital to deploy and a short list to fill. Industrial buyers from healthcare, logistics, public safety, and smart infrastructure who arrive with problems and leave with suppliers. This is where pilot projects begin. This is where memoranda of understanding get signed. For exhibitors, it comes down to a single moment. Your robot, live in the arena, doing the work it was built for. A crowd leaning in. A question from a hospital buyer. An investor extending a hand. That moment is what this expo is built to produce, again and again on every day of the program. Packages run from startup pods and 3x3 meter booths to demo arena sponsorship, government pavilions, and platinum naming rights. Every tier comes with matchmaking, investor and buyer introductions, and direct access to the Australia and New Zealand market. The next decade of industry will be designed in rooms like this one. The suppliers will be chosen, the partnerships will be signed. Make sure you are there when it happens. Robot Expo 2027, 20th to the 22nd of July, Brisbane Convention and Exhibition Centre, Australia. Register at doncomputing.com/robot-expo.